Okay, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning, your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. This video is not investment advice. So this video is another Candlestick Psychology video based on those kind of concepts which I have explained in my ebook. Get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame, any kind of financial instrument, and any kind of broker. So get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. So yes, I have done here a call option after this inverted bullish hammer in this pre-long downtrend. Now I will do a put because I'm sure that price will continue to going down. Yes, this candle here showed me, based on candlestick psychology, that we are getting now into a selling pressure here, and that's the reason why I did a put here, because I'm expecting that price will go down further. So, and because we are already so close to the one deviation, I entered immediately into a put instead of waiting to get a better entry point. So you see price got already down. That was the first tentative, and now I'm sure that price will pushing down further in the last few seconds of the expiration time. So let's see what's happening. Yes, price is going down. Yes, now it's a draw. And now it's already in the money, yes, and now it's moving further down. So, and after this, I will do another put, because this looks, okay, wait. No, it was this was not that what I was expecting. I was expecting an engulfing candle. So I wait that price will go up a little bit more to get a better entry point, because I'm not sure if price will retrace back. I have explained this in the ebook. Yes, you should understand that the movement should be first up and then down to get a better entry point, and also to be a little bit more sure, yes, about the candle. And because this candle hasn't done this, yes, I'm waiting, because this candle can retrace at any point, because this candle is not convincing me so much, yes, because you see here we are getting far away from the 2 deviation Bollinger Band, yes, and that is almost a reversal area, but maybe this trend is strong, yes, really strong. So now we are getting here into a reversal area, and I will do a call, and that is because of this one here. Yes, look at this here, you see we are in this kind of area. I don't know why I cannot show you. Okay, here. Yes, this one. Yes, this one here. And that was the reason why I entered here, because this is a nice area where you can expect that price will retrace at least for one candle. Yes, that is what I'm expecting. And that's the reason why I did a call. We got already in some kind of reversal area. Yes, that was another, something like an exhaustion candle, that the trend is almost over. Yes, you see also when you zoom in that the trend is not anymore so strong like it was here before. Yes, because we have here already a prolonged and extended downtrend. So, okay, that was already. You see, with a little bit patient, you can do those trades easily too. Yes, and so I would say that was it. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe to my channel. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye-bye.